taxi here, I'll back out that way. Oh. Hopefully it's not too weak.
Damn it. Yeah.
Oh no, damn it. 2 weeks. Fucking ass. I hate that shit. Fuck. I didn't think it was gonna be that weak, man. I thought that music wire was kind of strong. Yeah, really. It's probably a fucking clothes hanger. No, I swear. It isn't. My aileron linkages are. My cousin.
Bad for having a big hole in the top of it. We'll keep the batteries full.
Oh, did it come off?
Yeah. Check your replay.
Well, you know what? I didn't even see it come off. When did it come off, dude?
Right away. It's right there.
Oh, shit. Yeah, I didn't even see it. Man, she's flying beautiful, though.
That is nice, huh?
Yeah. God, she's flying beautiful. Steve,
Yeah.
I ain't got any answer on my feet, do I?
No.
Okay.
Well, your imagination's running wild.
Yeah, I know, because I can feel, I think it's all my hairs, man, kind of flowing in the wind there, and it feels like little ants. Feels like...
I think they only attack you if you're covered in fluid or something.
Yeah, all full of sugar or something. God, she's flying beautiful. Where'd that truck go?
Down the way.
Oh, okay. Did they have a motorcycle in the back, did somebody say?
Then I didn't see it.
Yeah, I thought somebody remarked that they had a motorcycle in the back or something.
I think I could have flown my 262 here, Eric.
Yeah, I think you can, man.
I didn't realize how good it was.
Yeah, you know what? And that's the first time I really took a look at this dirt road right here.
Yeah,
That's pretty smooth.
I haven't been over here.
Yeah, me neither. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. The landing gear held up. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. The landing gear held up.